As a website owner, one of the things you need to do is to make it easy for your website visitors to be able to contact you easily, especially when you put phone number on your website, on a particular page on your website. You should make it easy for your website visitors to click and call you directly instead of copying out the number. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your phone number clickable so that your website visitors would not need to copy it and paste on their dialing feature and then call you. No, they should be able to click on that phone number that you have put there and their phone can call you directly. So I'll show you how to do it in this video. So you can see on this website there is this text that says DM, WhatsApp, call this number, right? Now, if somebody is viewing this on a phone, you may have to copy this number before they can call you, right? So what you need to do on your website, you open the back end of your website. Of course, I'm using a WordPress website to show you this. So this is the back end of the website, right? So what you need to do now is, now I want them to be able to call me directly using this phone number. Okay, so what you will need to do is to copy this phone number, right? Now I'll copy it, then I'll go to the text editor here and click on this insert link and type TEL, then you put colon sign, then you put that phone number. Now remove this 0 from there, put the country code, and that is it. You have that phone number becomes clickable. Okay, so I will save this page and you see that is now clickable. Then I want to also do the same for WhatsApp. So instead of saying DM and they will start wondering how do I DM you or that, so you click on this WhatsApp as well. So since it's the same phone number that we are using, you click on it, on this same insert link here again, insert with edit link, then now you type https colon / 2 of it, then you say wa.me, then / then the phone number. Now when you are putting the phone number, also put it the same way we put the other one. Remove 0, remove dash, and put it in international format, and that link will become a WhatsApp link that when people click on it, they instantly come to your WhatsApp immediately. So you apply, okay, and then I'm going to update this page so we can test it and see. I'll update it. You can see the page we are working on is 4-seater luxury marble dining set. So it's saving now. So once it saves, we can refresh the page. So this is the original page, right? So I'll click on refresh the page and let's see what we've done. I know some people have a WhatsApp icon like this here on their website. So if you have that, that still works fine. But if you have a place where you put in phone number or text and people need to call you, why not make it easy for people to call you? So let's test this thing that we did now and see how it is. So let's click on it. So I want to click on it now. As you can see, open, pick an app. So because I'm on desktop, so I will need to select an app for you to use. So but if you're on mobile phone, automatically it will dial. For WhatsApp, we'll test WhatsApp as well. So let's see. Okay, so let's test WhatsApp. So I'll click on WhatsApp and see. Okay, there is a mistake in the WhatsApp link that we created, so I'm going to edit it. There is a little error there, so I'll go back to the page where we'll have it. So I want to edit that test. Okay, so I'll click on it, then click on this edit. So I made a mistake. It should be HTTPS, not HTTPS, HTTP. Okay, so you can see once there is any little mistake, the link will not work. Okay, so I'll apply again and I'll update the page. Okay, now we have edited that link. So let's view the product and see if our changes has been effected. So I'm viewing the page again. So let's see what happens now. So I click on WhatsApp now, and as you can see, it opens for you to continue to chat. So you just chat with that page instantly. So if it's on mobile phone now, it will just open my WhatsApp app straight up. So I have a WhatsApp software on my phone, so if I click on it here now, it will just open it instantly. So that is how you can make your link, make it easy for your customers to be able to take actions on your website. Now, the last thing I want to show you is for email. So let's say you want them to send you an email, you can also do the same, right? So like, yes, on this page we don't have anything that has to do with send an email, but let's say your content has a place where you say, okay, send an email to us. So you are going to do the same thing. So you just write the text that you are going to use for that particular purpose. So let's say I want to put that here and say send us an email. Okay, so instead of me writing that email there, I can also say send us an email by clicking here. So I don't want to put in the email address on that page. So I just want my visitors to click on that link and straight up it will open their email app and they will send me an email instantly. So that's how you do it. So you also highlight that text that you want to make an anchor test. We actually call it anchor test. So you click on that link again. So now what you need to do is to say mail to colon, then you now put the email address. So in this case, the email address of this website is info@krmfurniture.com. okay, and you click apply and then you update just the same way we did the other ones. Okay, so once you update, you can then refresh the page again so that we can see what we've done, if everything is working as we want it to be. So the page is loading now. Okay, so this is it. So I'll click on it and see if it will open my email app. So on mobile phone, it makes it a whole lot easier. So I've clicked on it, so it's trying to open my email app now, and my email app is actually Outlook. So it will open my Outlook and instantly customers can send an email to me, and it makes everything seamless. So there you have it. So if you have a website and you have all the places, you have phone number and phone number, or where you have say send us, chat with us on WhatsApp, instead of just clicking, why not make it easy so that when they click they can just chat you, or they can easily put a call through to you without copying the number or without coming to add you on WhatsApp and all those long process, because your visitors, they do not have time. So as you can see, it has opened my email application, automatically inserting that phone number that I have created, and that is it. So that's how it will show for your visitors, and they can easily send you an email. Okay, so give it a try today. Update your website, make things easy for your website visitors, and watch how it will affect your conversion rates. And I'll see you again in the next video.